In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to empty your trash in Gmail. If you've cleaned out your inbox and moved messages to the trash, and you're certain you'll never need them again, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly how to get rid of them permanently. I'll keep it simple, clear, and to the point, while giving you a few helpful notes along the way. First, open Gmail in your web browser and sign in if you aren't already. When Gmail loads, look over to the left-hand sidebar where you see your folders, like Inbox, Sent, and Drafts. If your list looks short, that's normal. Gmail keeps some sections tucked away to keep things tidy. To reveal everything, click the option labeled More. This expands the list to show additional folders. Among those, you'll find Trash. Go ahead and click Trash to open it. This is your holding area for messages you've deleted from your inbox or other folders. They're not gone yet. Gmail keeps them here temporarily in case you change your mind. It's good to take a moment and skim the list to make sure nothing important is sitting there by mistake. Once you're sure you don't need any of those emails, look toward the top of the trash page. You'll see a link or button that says Empty Trash Now. This is the command that removes everything currently in the trash all at once. Click Empty Trash Now. Gmail may display a brief confirmation message to make sure you understand this action is permanent. Confirm, and the messages will be removed. After a moment, your trash will be empty, and you'll see a notice that there are no messages left. That's it. You've successfully emptied your Gmail trash. A few helpful reminders as you do this. Deleting from trash is permanent and can't be undone, so it's worth double-checking before you click. If you only wanted to keep your trash tidy occasionally, know that Gmail automatically deletes messages and trash after a period of time, so you don't have to empty it constantly. Also, if you don't see trash right away, make sure you clicked More in the sidebar to expand the list. It's easy to miss if the menu is collapsed. To recap, open Gmail, expand the left sidebar with More, select Trash, and then choose Empty Trash Now. With that simple sequence, you'll keep your account organized and free up space. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you keep your Gmail neat and clutter-free.